install gameplay, Google Play Games. This app requires the largest version of the Google Play Game app. No. Did he say? Did it took a long time for him to say King Tongue? Anything but King Tongue. Don't worry. His voice was so pixelated I never even heard what he said. When I first downloaded this game, I was trying to understand what that man was saying, but I never Did you just guys explode my bomb? I'm pretty sure you guys won't be able to hear my voice. Heard that in the gameplay. The game has the characters with actual limbs, but in the game they barely have. They don't even have arms. They only have legs. What? Why is it telling me to download? This was an ad I saw from the game. Wait, tap your enemies? So I can just tap them from a far distance? Glitchy, poor glitchy, too many ads. Of course! This game has way too many ads without even you telling about the game. All you do is just dig underground, destroy enemies, and you can just tap them. And it said it has poor graphics, and I can tell that. Most of these ads can crash my recorder, so I gotta be careful what ads I see. And of course, it sometimes can crash my entire system. I can probably hear what the guy says now. I'm not really sure. Is he saying K? I did not hear any K. I'm not sure. Say Kala! Countries are after. Smash faster.